Hello, everyone, and welcome back. We are so happy you are here with us today for another real-life English speaking lesson.
Yes, and today we are going somewhere very interesting.
A hotel.
Exactly. Today we are going to practice real English conversations at a hotel, from checking in to solving problems in your room.
This lesson is perfect for travel English, daily English conversations, and speaking practice for beginners.
So relax, listen carefully, repeat after us, and imagine yourself traveling in another country speaking English confidently.
Okay, let's begin.
Wow, after that long flight, I'm finally here at the hotel.
Welcome to Carlton Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hello, I'd like to check in, please.
Of course. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, I do.
This is a very common phrase at hotels. Do you have a reservation?
A reservation means you booked a room before arriving at the hotel.
Great. May I have your name, please?
It's Mary Lee.
Thank you. Let me check your reservation.
Usually this takes a few seconds.
Ah, yes, I found it. One room for 2 nights.
That's right.
Another useful phrase, that's right, means yes, correct.
May I see your credit card, please?
Some travelers feel nervous when hotels ask for a credit card.
But usually hotels use it for a deposit in case of damage or extra charges.
Here you go,
Is this for the room?
just for the deposit.
Oh, okay, I see.
Hotels also give useful information during check-in.
I have a quick question.
Sure, go ahead.
Does the room include breakfast?
Very useful question for travelers.
Yes, breakfast is included, and Wi-Fi is included too.
Great, I'll probably need that.
I'll probably need that means you think something will be useful later.
Here's your room key. You're in room 12, and the elevator is on your left.
On my left. Got it.
Got it means I understand.
If you need anything else, just let me know.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Okay, now Mary arrives at her room.
Finally, time to relax.
Wow, this hotel is really nice.
Let's see what the room looks like.
Wow, look at that view.
This room is lovely.
Nice bed, nice view, very comfortable.
Okay, everyone. Now let's learn some hotel room vocabulary.
This is a lamp.
Lamp.
A lamp gives light to the room.
And this is a nightstand.
A nightstand is the small table next to the bed.
And this is a drawer.
A drawer is where you put small things like clothes, chargers, or documents.
And this is a pillow.
Hopefully a very comfortable pillow.
Yes, I'm going to sleep very well tonight.
And finally, this is a rug.
A rug is soft material on the floor.
But suddenly, something feels wrong.
Why is it so warm in here?
Maybe the air conditioner is not working.
I set it to 68 degrees, but the room still feels hot.
Oh no, that's uncomfortable.
There's barely any cold air coming out.
That's not good, especially after a long day of traveling.
Okay, I should call the front desk.
Hello, this is room 12. I think my air conditioner isn't working.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that.
My room feels really warm and uncomfortable.
Let me see what I can do.
I already turned the AC all the way down, but it's still hot.
Did you notice any cold air at all?
Not even a little.
Thank you for letting us know.
Good hotels usually try to solve problems quickly.
We can either send someone to fix it or move you to another room.
Honestly, I'd prefer another room if possible.
Of course, no problem at all.
That's a very polite and natural phrase.
Let me check if we have another room available.
Hopefully they do.
Good news, we have another room ready right now.
Oh, that's perfect. Thank you so much.
Happy to help. I'll send the new room key to your phone.
You've been very helpful.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Okay, now Mary arrives at her room.
Ah, now this feels much better.
Cool air, finally.
This room is perfect.
And this is something very important to remember when speaking English during travel. Instruction. Stay calm, stay polite, and ask for help when you need it.
You do not need perfect English to communicate successfully.
Simple and clear English works very well in real life.
Many learners feel nervous speaking English while traveling.
Important, but confidence grows through practice and experience.
Motivational. Every conversation helps you improve a little more.
Okay, everyone, now it's your turn.
Instruction. Practice these hotel conversations out loud.
Pretend you're checking into a hotel right now.
Encouragement. Repeat the sentences, copy the pronunciation, and practice confidently.
Friendly tone. And tell us in the comments, what is your dream travel destination?
Maybe one day you'll use English there in real life.
Closing tone. Thank you so much for practicing English with us today.
Warm tone. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself.
Friendly close. We'll see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone, and safe travels.